right, so this is just like that Montgomery Energy, except this is mounted by Excel. Let's picture your cab view right here. Really nothing to see.
You don't have to hold indoor close.
Okay, so close it, go to UL. It's like a normal elevator. Going back down, close.
Was the cap on this one always blue, or
No.
is okay? I figured that was brand new.
Mm-hmm. I mean, you saw the old cab. I mean, these things were in bad shape.
Yeah, the old one's definitely more interesting, but I would be lying if I said the old one was nicer for sure.
I mean, you know they had to mod them.
Yeah, this got a better pump on it, I think, though.
Yeah.
Fade off here. Oh, you want to ride it?
You have to end it.
Yeah, we're
Okay, all right.
heading upstairs.
I'm gonna end right now.